Welcome. In front of me is a TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, you'll want to hold your power button and from the boot options select power off. Now when the device turns off, you can hold power button and volume up at the same time, and I'm going to start doing that right now. After a couple of seconds of holding them, you should have TECNO logo show up on a screen, at which point let go of the power button but keep holding volume up. Now in a moment we will see Android with no command. There we go. Once you see it, you can let go of the volume up and then start holding power button. While holding it, you're going to press volume up once. And let's try that again. So I'm going to explain in a second what just happened. I'm going to do that again. There we go. So when I let go of the power button, after doing the no command kind of get in here, it automatically accepted reboot system now by letting go of the power button as an input. It typically shouldn't be happening like this, but occasionally you might experience this. If that happens to you, automatically just start over, meaning hold power button and volume up, and just repeat it as though the device was off. And you should be able to get back here. Now, like I said, this sometimes happens, so don't worry, it's just kind of normal. In any case, in here, you will need to use volume buttons to navigate. So let's use volume down to select enter Fastboot mode and then confirm it using your power button. And there's our Fastboot mode. Now there's actually a secondary Fastboot mode, which is called bootloader. It's a many less Fastboot mode, but it's also Fastboot mode nonetheless, so you can select that if you want. This one is just a little bit more convenient to leave if you want to by navigating using your volume buttons, and you can just, for instance, select reboot system now, confirm it with the power button, and this will just get you out of here and back into Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.